Assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back to another cooking video. Hope you all are doing well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. So today we're going to be making delicious cheesy meatball with potato. Really yummy and easy also to prepare. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Okay, here is my mutton mince, which I already add in the mixing bowl. This is 500 of mutton mince. You can use beef mince as well. And here is my onion paste. It's a one small onion which I blend it and I make paste like this. So I'm going to add that in here. And here is a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is a meat masala, and you don't need to use exactly the spice which I'm using. You can use any spice which you have. I'm going to show you guys the box of this meat masala. Okay, this is the masala I'm talking about. This is a meat masala, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this, which is this one here. Next, I'm adding garam masala, about half teaspoon. And here is chili powder, about half teaspoon as well. This is a ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. I've got some salt. And lastly, I'm gonna add fresh coriander. Okay guys, so I'm going to mix it everything well. And here I need oil because it's sticky, so I need to dip my fingers. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done with making meatballs. So what you have to do is to create a space on the center of, because we still have to put potatoes, so the space which I'm leaving is to add potatoes later on. So now I'm going to just cook in low flame until I see the meatball already is in very low flame. It's gonna take about 20 minutes. You have to make sure you come back after 10 minutes and check if everything is okay. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's after 15 to 18 minutes. It's not 20 minutes complete, but I need to check. Okay guys, as you can see, the water is finished. So now I need to off the flame. I've got this tray here. This is a baking tray. I'm going to transfer the meatball into this tray. Okay, now I've got 2 medium potatoes and I already mashed. So now I'm going to add some spices. This is a chili flakes, just a little bit of chili flakes, some salt. This is aromat. You can add salt if you don't have aromat. I'm gonna add some black pepper, bit of milk. Lastly, I'm gonna add butter. This is about 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna mix everything until it's nice and smooth. The potatoes are done. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to bring my meatball. Here is my meatball. I'm going to put in each meatball 1 tablespoon of potato. Okay, done. So now I'm going to put some cheese on top of the potato, just like this. So I'm going to bake for about 10 minutes until the cheese is nicely melted. Okay. Our special cheesy meatball ready, as you guys can see, is so beautiful, and the smell at this point was so good. So now I'm going to just sprinkle some fresh coriander. Okay guys, now I'm going to take a bite. I'll tell you guys how it tastes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This must try. You have to try this recipe. It's so delicious. The combination of cheese, potato, and the mince is just so perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up. Share this video with family and friends, and of course I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.